up YouTube? It's your girl Keyzkrazy and I'm back with another video. Those of you that are new, what's up, boo? Y'all already know what to do. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button right now, cause y'all gonna wanna see another video. Y'all just want, y'all, I already know. You gonna love me, cause I'ma love you, okay? Boom. And for my motherfuckers that been me called it for what I do. Y'all already know what to do too. Hit that like button. Anyway, y'all know what it is. Y'all see the title we're about to get into. That's why I got my little fro out. Okay, looking like Annie. Very much giving me real Krusty the Clown vibes. Second up, but and yeah, get into the lashes. Okay? If y'all want to know how I achieved this lash look, yeah, I did it myself. Go check out my previous video. It's on my channel. I'ma tag it and put it in the description, okay? So if y'all want to know how I got these lashes, how I got this look, I already did a video on it. I didn't do a video on the lashes. It's only on the top. But if y'all want, I could do it on the bottom, for the bottom lash too. Okay, anything for y'all. All you gotta do, like I said, is do one little thing for me. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, anyway, so I ain't gonna make this too long for y'all, okay? I'm about to show y'all how to slick this down. I got 4C4B here. That's what I feel like my curl is. Y'all could be the judge, but I know I have type 4 here. I think it's like more so 4B, 4A, because it's not really like 4C. It's not really super but I don't know. I just got type 4 here, so anyway, it's really like hard to get this shit to really lay down like flat and just be all like flushy. Before I even get started with the video though, this is number uno video. I'm about to drop 30 videos back to back for you, okay? So if you know, been watching or you've been subscribed to my channel, just stay tuned. Like you about to see 30 videos drop back to back every single day, okay? And for those of you that are new, that's going back and watching this video, and it's already 30 days later, and y'all already watched all 30 videos, or you're new to the channel, however it may conclude. Hi, and this is the start of my journey. I'm gonna be bringing consistent content to y'all. I finally am at a place in my life where I'm situated in every other area, so I really can focus on YouTube, and I really want to take YouTube serious. Like, I love making videos for you guys. I love it. I don't even really do it just for y'all. I do it for myself too. Like, it just empowers me in a way. It's fun. I feel like you know, I get to express my creativity. I get to express my personality. I have a chance to show millions of people, even though millions of you may not be seeing this video right now. I just have faith that one day y'all will, and y'all will like learn something from me. You didn't learn how to do your hair from this video. You will learn something, whether it's to get the hell out and do something to your hair or something. You want to learn something, like, you know what I'm saying? And that's from all my videos. So every single video I post is not going to be about hair. Everything single video eventually is not going to be a how-to video. Right now I'm about to post consistent how-to videos, okay? So don't worry about that. But eventually, like, you know, I'm just gonna bring my creativity to y'all. Okay, that's enough. I know I done rambled on a lot real quick, but I just had to talk to y'all real quick because I haven't posted on my channel in like months, and you know, I need to let y'all in, and I need to let y'all know that I'm serious. So those of you that are tuning in right now, that's watching this journey, that has been here since the start, I thank you. And those of you that are new to this journey with me, I thank you. And I encourage you to stay and watch me grow. And I encourage you to grow with me. This is my motivation. If you want to start something, whether it's a business, a YouTube, whether it's just started working out, jogging every day, eating healthy, do it, okay? Trust me, you're gonna feel so much better. Because even me, while I'm recording this video right now, I just feel so happy and so content. Like, yes, this is exactly what I want to be doing. Even though I'm not like where I want to be, I wish I had 1,000,000 followers, subscribers right now that I could be, you know, uploading this video for. One day I will, and I know one day I will have an audience that genuinely just wants to see me and loves me just like how I love y'all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you. Okay, now let's get back to the video. Water, because you want to dampen it up so you can soften it up, and if you dampen it up, we're going to put some leave-in in there, okay, so it can stay moisturized. And then how we're going to slick it in is with our good old handy-dandy Eco Stylist. We're going to use the 24-hour edge control, and you're going to need a brush or a comb, because you have to part that hard brush. You know, I don't have one, but you won't need one. This is going to make your life so much more easier, okay, but I don't have one right now, and it's okay. I don't need one, so I'm just gonna wet it all up, spray it all up. I hope y'all don't mind, but I'm gonna fast forward all of this, or whatever, speed it up, play some music in the background, just so y'all don't be sitting here staring at the screen, listening to me talk, because I ain't talking about name.
In this house, wars in this house, there's some wars in this house, wars in this house, wars in this house, there's some wars in this house, wars in this house, there's some this house. There's some whores in this house.
You guys like this? And as we go to my YouTube, and your girl's Keyzkrazy is out.
Whores in this house. There's some